Number 66, we are going to simplify 6 times square root of 32 minus 3 times square root of 18. And notice that this is a subtraction question. When we are dealing with subtracting or adding square roots, we must simplify each square root first. And then hopefully they are the same square roots at the end, then we can combine like terms. And this is how we do it. Let's look at square root of 32. Let's focus on that for now. We are going to break it down. And in order to break that down, we have to know the perfect squares. So these are the square numbers that you have to know. So we know that square root of 1 is equal to 1, square root of 4 is equal to 2, square root of 9 is equal to 3, and so on. These are the perfect squares. And then we have to think about which of this number that will be able to go into 32. And we have two choices. Right here, we know that 4 goes into 32 8 times. However, we also have another choice. We see that 16 goes into 32 twice. You want to pick the bigger number that works. If you do that, you can just do it in one step. So this is how. So the 6 is on the outside. That stays the same. But then for square root of 32, I'm going to break this down as square root of 16 times square root of 2. Square root of 16 times square root of 2, that will give you square root of 32. So this is the breakdown for that. And then we'll also do the same kind of breakdown for the square root of 18. So let me put down the minus, and then let me bring down this 3. But then for square root of 18, we have to think about which of this number will go into the number 18. And the answer for that is 9. 9 goes into 18 twice. So I'm going to break down square root of 18 as square root of 9. Let's put that first, and then multiply with square root of 2. Because square root of 9 times square root of 2, 9 times 2 will give you the 18, and then they are both exactly square root. That will be the breakdown. And now, let's see what we do with this. This right here is a 6, regular 6. And this right here is a square root of 16. But then it will turn into a regular 4. A regular 4 right here. So we just multiply regular 4, and notice that there's no more square root. And then you multiply with square root 2. This cannot be simplified anymore. And then you continue with the rest. We have minus the 3 right here. Square root of 9 is equal to a regular 3 as well. So you multiply by 3. And you multiply with square root 2. Well, what do we have? The 6 and the 4 can be multiplied because they are both outside. They are just regular numbers. 6 times 4, of course, that's 24. And we maintain the square root of 2. Minus 3 times 3, that will give you 9, and then we maintain the square root of 2. And you see that we have the same terms. They are like terms. So what we can do is 24 minus 9, that will give us positive 15, and we will keep square root of 2. This is how we combine same radicals. Both of them have the square root of 2. We just need to do 24 minus 9, and that will give you 15. 15 square root of 2. That's it. That's it. That's it.